Hello and welcome back to the Town Net update for December, and it's the business team. So over to you, Killian.
Yes, thank you, and hi everybody. So this month has been exciting in terms of how we present Tau and TauNet, of course. So it's a narrative update that we've been undergoing, and as opposed to hoarding the tech for us, we basically want to enable other projects by giving them access to our tech. So one can, from now on, we go in the direction of being a launch platform for DAOs and projects, essentially. So this month we spent on defining this narrative in more depth, thinking about how we get the incentives right for all parties, namely developers, projects, and users. I've done research into what kind of projects and people are aligned with the DAO approach in general, also beyond TauNet, to get a better understanding of the industry and expand our network and learn also from these other projects how they've been growing and dealing with things. And yeah, beyond that, we've then started crafting, or we finished crafting a new deck aligned with the new narrative together with like the whole business team. And yeah, now we've been working on implementing the updated narrative into the website. And that's it from me. Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, Killian. So just to add to Killian's point here, we're not changing the fact that TownNet is a user-controlled and project-controlled blockchain. That still stands, but we want to elevate and really surface some of these features because we want people to be able to really see the benefit of building on TownNet. And when we've spoken to a lot of the community members and many other projects and builders, the main thing that they wanted from TownNet is really to use these features. So we want to elevate that part of TownNet so people can actually build some really great things. We've spoken to you guys. A lot of you guys want to build some amazing products and projects on TownNet, utilize this technology. So we basically just want to surface all of this good stuff. So we want as many people when we do launch and when we're ready to be able to just come and just immediately get building and using this technology. So that doesn't mean that also means that there's still going to be this user controlled element and project controlled element of TownNet. But there's just going to be people who want to build on TownNet and also people who want to govern TownNet itself and really evolve the TownNet system. So there's a lot of scope for what TownNet is, as you guys already know. And we're really just surfacing some of the good stuff for some of our future builders and developers. Yeah. I'll pass it over to you now, Igor, for your update. Cheers.
All right, thanks, Fola, and hello, everyone. So for this month, the focus was basically on the design, as always, the thumbnail, social media, website updates, the maintenance and such. But we mainly worked on this deck that Killian previously explained and Fola as well. So we're presenting the DAO as the ultimate DAO. So you made a couple of versions and designs of it. Just today, as Friday, this day, we have finished the deck and it's currently within our team. And pretty much, I think this is going to be a basic and like a base that we're going to use for the website as well. So you will be able to see that in the future too. So this help will basically get, as Fola and Killian explained, onboarding new projects and users that they will be able to use our technology, of course, implement some of their ideas into our ecosystem. As other stuff, I'm currently working on basically understanding some of the modern design narratives that are going to be quite big thing in 2026. So just learning from different people, understanding some elements, color hierarchies and stuff. So just currently testing and currently also trying to figure out how our new website is going to look like. I've also been in touch with some of the few companies as well. There are companies who are offering XPay services, Binance Lives, calls, etc. Just currently in touch with them, keeping them on the side until we need them. As you know, the GitHub repo is also up. We're going to also publish the project milestones. This is essentially all the tasks that are left to be done before we release the town and testnet. And it's pretty much the same. And I think in a previous update, I spoke about this bounty campaign. We have it ready, but we're going to need some time to apply these changes that we just discussed about. And as we do that, this campaign will go probably live as well. That's all from my month. Thank you.
All right, fantastic. Thank you, guys. So yeah, just to add a little bit extra to this, the big mission for us is not only to provide a project and user control platform, but we want to basically make TownNet the #1 place to launch any blockchain project. There is going to be no other blockchain where you're going to get TownNet's features. So over time, as we continue to flesh out our features, we are going to lead in how in what could be possible on blockchain and in software development generally. And that's really our goal, is to separate ourselves by ultimately becoming the only place where you're going to be able to build the kinds of things that you can do on TownNet. Things like automatic development from specification, instant consensus detection, and all the kind of interesting ideas that you can get from just even those two ideas itself. But there's a lot. There's a lot to come, as you guys know. On top of that, we've also been working on the licensing. Everything, as you guys know, is designed to benefit the TownNet community. There are some adjustments to be made and probably will be in place by the time you guys see this. But TownNet is designed to be extremely permissive, and the use of TOW language on TownNet and for TownNet and integrating with TownNet and anything TownNet is basically meant to be super permissive. So there will be some adjustments being coming soon on that too. Yeah, effectively, everything will be designed to with you guys in mind. So I want to make sure that is very well clear. But yeah, that's it for this month. We will continue, and yeah, we've got some new updates coming soon. So don't forget to follow us on our socials. As always, TOW_net on Twitter. That's TOW_net on Twitter, or X, maybe we want to call it. TownNet Agrs on Reddit. That's our subreddit. And on Telegram, that's TownNet. All right, fantastic. Thank you.